What's up, guys? Jaden Lamb here, back again with this traffic light on Santa Barbara Boulevard South. So you guys might be confused, like, how's that signal not changing for me? Well, if you go over here, this signal here goes straight to that. But if we come over here, however, where this sign is and this button, where you look at the pedestrian signal and look across, that tells you that you are going in that direction. But if you press it, however, how is that light not changing for me? What the heck? I'm pressing hard as I can. There we go. So if you keep pressing it enough, then, I mean, not with your back of your hand, now will hurt. This countdown will start going off. So, yep, if you guys just saw, I'm a new resident. Just want to say thank you to Mike the cop. If you guys saw, that went to zero, and none of the lights changed. So, in Cape Coral, it's pretty much different from Charlotte County. Basically, or Punta Gorda, whatever. When you press the button, the lights automatically go change. Back in Cape Coral, however, that's different. So, yep, I'm already walking to the store now, so remember, if you're traveling on the road, sea or air, please stay safe, and remember, may the first responders like you remember, Kaiser and Steve Cash love you, and they're always watching y'all. Bye now. Peace.